I This is one of the engines which is getting ready. It's a 500, or precisely if I get the 535 piston in hand, this will be a 535 unit. And here is the crank. The conrod is all done, machined and ready. And this is the Delco, the original Delco which with this bike. And this is one of the kit which is made, and got it fixed in terms like I fixed everything. As you can see, all the clips, the Timken bearing for Timken bearing kit, and this is the bearing kit for the original crank, Delco. And the other one is missing, so anyways I am changing, replacing it with the Timken bearing for this kit. Looks pretty good, and that's it. Been busy with some personal work for all this while, for more than 2 months, trying to sort out some glitches. And once this is done, I am planning for a good ride, maybe from my city to the other one. And I will share my riding pleasure, reviews, and everything. And by the way, there's another engine which is going to be converted from 350 to 500, which is there. And the other one, that AVL, is also going to be converted from. Now the only thing is I have a UCE bore, 500cc bore with me. I'm only looking at a UCE cylinder head. If I get a complete cylinder head with rocker covers, rockers, and push rods and all, then I am all good to go to start with that. Rest spares are there. I have a 500cc AVL crank, and hopefully planning to purchase few more heavy cranks, AVL 500cc cranks, and as well as the standard 500cc cranks. And anybody who's looking at picking up the or getting their 350s done, I'm all set, except the transportation time. It will take 15 days for the entire conversion and fitting. Now it is up to the buyer's specification, or they can only send me the bottom part, that is the chambers, along with the timing chest and crank, and rest they can get it installed. If they want me to do it, I can. You guys have to only send me the entire engine, and I can do the complete installation and send it across. But what I would rather suggest is, you know, send the engine along with bore. The cylinder head can be procured easily at in your own respectable cities and installed. If not, I am pretty much okay to do the entire setup and send it across. Recently, about a month back, I had to send one set out of my city, which was completely done. I had no time to do that because I was running back and forth from the industrial area to the respective places wherever I was stuck, and busy for all these days. Hopefully, you guys will get to see more of the build up. And I'm planning to install this on my own bike, this kit. And I have another engine coming up, which is a 1971 or 72 X-Army G2 engine, which I'm planning to convert that into a 500cc as well. And there is somebody who is, talking terms, who's got about 6, 7 engines. And if that works out, I might take you. I mean, like I might start showing up the workshop videos straight right from the machining till the installation, right in one place. This can be shown. That's it.